Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you how to turn on your Logout After Inactivity feature. This will allow your streaming session to automatically log out users after defined inactivity period. So first you need to click on your application and go to the Config button and click on it. This will open up your common streaming settings. Here turn on the inactivity feature on the top right side of the settings menu. Enter how much time you want your users to automatically log out after being inactive in the stream. For example, I'm entering 2 minutes here. Then save your settings. Next, start your app streaming session. Inactivity starts when no mouse or keyboard inputs are being sent to the stream or game. Now you can see that after the defined time period of inactivity, your session will get a message checking that the user is inactive or not. You can press the Continue Streaming button to resume your streaming session, or it will log out users automatically after the countdown. Thanks for watching the video. To know about our Unreal Engine Pixel streaming service, visit our website www.eagle3dstreaming.com or contact our support system. To create an account, go to account.eagle3dstreaming.com/sign up and get a free 7 days trial. Upload your first Unreal Engine project on our Pixel streaming platform for free. Eagle 3D Streaming, it's just easier.